But what's the appropriate name? I call it solar farm, but is it solar what?
Level 2 solar energy system.
Thank you. That's in our existing ordinance?
Yes.
Note to folks coming back on, we're still in recess. Judge, Channel 11 is come back on and we are streaming again on
Okay.
YouTube.
And what about, did we get Paducah Sun?
We did,
Everybody that was on a while ago is back on now.
yes.
Okay. All right. So we're back from executive session. Apologize for taking so long, but we had a very productive discussion, I think. I guess it's not too bad. I don't know how long we were out, but we had 4 lawyers talking, and so that's not bad. However long it took. What we need to ask for, were you writing your question, you wrote the motion?
I did.
Excuse me, Judge, I believe we need a motion and second to return to open session.
Right.
I'll make a motion, we return to open session.
I'll second.
All right. All in favor, aye.
Aye.
Opposed, no. That carries. All right, then what is your motion, Commissioner Jones?
Judge, I make a motion that we move to request the McCracken County Attorney to assist the McCracken County Fiscal Court by preparing a motion on behalf of local county government, the Fiscal Court, asking the McCracken County Board of Adjustment to reconsider the application of McCracken County Solar for a conditional use permit to operate a level 2 solar energy system inside the jurisdiction of McCracken County.
Second.
Any discussion?
Well, I would say that I believe that there is a place in McCracken County for solar farms, kind of the local nickname. And I know that it takes a process to implant or to put them into our strategic plan. And we've started that plan and we've got an ordinance in place. And we need to move carefully, and the county attorney will I think, instruct or advise the McCracken County Board of Adjustment of our feelings, because it's important that we not lose the power of the conditional use permit that is employed by operating through the zoning process. It will protect all of us. So I think this is the right step to take so that we can protect that power of the citizens.
Well, I want to add too that I guess I suppose I had more information, frankly, than the Board of Adjustment did on the importance of this project. I know, as the commissioners know, that a solar energy farm to produce green energy is extremely important to potential projects that we have desiring to locate a well, let's just say multi-billion-dollar project in our county. Who they are, where they want to be, what they do, all these sorts of things are confidential. But with the Biden administration, federal government's incentives for green energy, which solar is one, for tax credits and other incentives for investors, projects to partake in huge savings. It could make or break a huge project coming here into McCracken County. And so we want to do everything we can to try to effectuate that. And so this will be a means by which we can try to get that done. Any other discussion?
Well,
No?
I do want to thank Greg and Steve for their hard work over the weekend on this issue.
Well, we can't be accused of not looking at every angle and from every viewpoint. I think we've done a thorough job of analyzing what our options are. My voice sounds different to me now.
You still sound good.
Oh, okay. All right. No more further discussion. All in favor, aye. Opposed, no. That carries. All right. Let's see what else we. Let's see. Court orders 5A.
It is ordered that the treasurer is authorized to enter into and sign a letter of intent with Flores and Associates for FSA, HRA, and Cobra administration. Hill and Holland have selected Flores and Associates to be the preferred county vendor effective January 1, 2022.
So made.
Second.
Any discussion? All in favor, aye.
Aye.
Opposed, opposed, no. That carries. B.
It is ordered that $37,752.24 from the transient room tax escrow fund be transferred to the city of Paducah for bond payment on the Convention Center and Carson Center Series 2020B GOB.
So moved.
Second.
Discussion? All in favor, aye.
Aye.
Opposed,
Aye.
no. That carries. All right, the 6A board appointments.
It is ordered that Luke Adams is appointed to the Melbourne New Hope Fire District Board to complete the term of Douglas Wilson, a resigned elected property owner, which expires on June 30th, 2023. This appointment is pursuant to KRS 75.031A and is subject to further orders of the court.
So made.
Second.
Discussion? All in favor, aye.
Aye.
Opposed, no. That carries. B.
It is ordered that Toby Boone is appointed to the Reland Farley Fire District Board to complete the term of resigned member Charles Offit, whose term expires June 30th, 2023, and is subject to further orders of the court.
So made.
Second.
Any discussion? All in favor, aye.
Aye.
Opposed, no. That carries. That ordinance.
It is hereby ordered that pursuant to KRS Chapter 67, the second reading and adoption of ordinance number 2021-15 shall be conducted in summary format as follows. McCracken County, Kentucky, McCracken County Fiscal Court, ordinance number 2021-15. An ordinance amending the McCracken County Administrative Code by creating and enacting a new section 3.9 entitled Open Records Policy. Summary. The action taken by the present ordinance amends ordinance number 2021-09, which repealed and replaced ordinance 2016-08 and all amendments thereto. The administrative code is amended by the creation of a new section 3.9 entitled Open Records Policy. Certification. It is hereby certified by the McCracken County Fiscal Court that the present summary represents an accurate official statement of the main points of and contents of ordinance number 2021-15. Public inspection. A true and correct copy of ordinance number 2021-15 shall be made available for public inspection in its whole and complete form by the McCracken County Judge Executive's Office during ordinary business hours.
So made.
Second.
Any discussion? Just for clarity's sake, state, don't want anybody getting nervous about us clamping down on open records requests or anything like that. Actually, this guidance or directive came from the Attorney General's office. It really, I guess, specifies certain intricacies, certain details that be put in a policy. We've essentially just adopted their suggested language. McCracken Fiscal Court, McCracken government has been, I think, very liberal in responding to these open records requests. And I know frequently I'll just tell people that'll, well, I won't say frequently, but I have on occasion told people, look, you don't have to do a formal request if you don't want, or do it if you want. Just what do you want? And I'll send it to you. But there are certain requirements sometimes that we do have to go by. So it's just a matter of following the guidance from the Attorney General, and I don't think it substantively changes anything that people can get information on what we're doing and records, whatever, as is required. All in favor, aye. Opposed, no. That carries. Anything else we got to do? I'm at the end of my list. Got a motion to adjourn?
So made.
Second.
All right.